Welcome to my smart home. On our Smart Home YouTube channel, you will discover the most practical ways to bring technology to your home and master all the intricacies of home automation systems. Get ready to build a smarter home every day with tips, detailed reviews, and brand new technologies that will make your life easier. Controlling your LGTV with Apple HomeKit makes your home entertainment system smarter and more convenient. HomeKit-compatible LG TVs work seamlessly with iPhones, iPads, and other Apple devices, allowing you to manage your TV using voice commands and automation features. First, ensure that your LG TV supports HomeKit. Most LG smart TVs produced from 2019 onward offer HomeKit integration. Next, download the LGThinQ app on your device and add your TV to the app. Make sure your TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Apple device. After that, open the Apple Home app on your iPhone or iPad and add your TV. To do this, select Add Accessory and scan the HomeKit QR code displayed on your TV screen. Once the connection is successfully established, your LG TV will appear in the Apple Home app. Now you can control your LG TV using Siri commands. For instance, you can say, "Hey Siri, turn on the TV." "Hey Siri, set the volume to 50%. Or, "Hey Siri, switch to HDMI 1. Additionally, you can use the Home app to turn the TV on or off, adjust the volume, or change modes. Moreover, you can use Apple HomeKit's automation features to integrate your TV with other smart devices. For example, you can create a movie night routine that dims the lights when the TV is turned on. These features make your TV viewing experience more comfortable and enjoyable. If you liked our video, leave a comment below about which device you would like to see controlled. We will quickly shoot and share a new video specific to that device. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for similar content. You will both support us and be instantly informed about our new videos. We look forward to your comments and subscriptions.